Are you missing the subtle signs that she gives you? Many men often wonder how to figure out if a woman is in love with them or secretly likes them. Women usually don't share their feelings openly, so it's crucial to notice the subtle signs that might reveal their emotions. Looking at things from a Stoic point of view, a woman in love may remain composed without directly stating her feelings. Women are generally good at noticing the small cues from men. It's almost like they have a special intuition for it, while men might struggle a bit more to recognize these signals. However, if a woman displays any of the 8 behaviors I'm about to discuss, trust me, it's a sign she has feelings for you. Every woman is unique, and her signs might differ, but they generally show these behaviors unconsciously when they're attracted to someone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to spot these signs that a woman might be harboring feelings for you, even if she doesn't admit it. These indicators are reliable, particularly the last 2. I encourage you to observe them closely. Don't forget to subscribe. 1. She's curious about your life. If a woman has feelings for you, she'll be eager to learn more about you. This could include questions about your personal history, your dreams, and how you relate with your family. This curiosity is her way of finding mutual interests that strengthen your connection. Women often place great importance on family and emotional ties. To build this emotional bond, it's vital to engage deeply and share your interests with her. Show your Stoic side by asking her thoughtful questions and observing her responses closely. Even though it might seem obvious, many men overlook these subtle hints from women. Paying attention and analyzing these interactions quietly can reveal her true interest. If she's into you, she'll genuinely want to delve into the details of your life. 2. She seeks your company. A woman who has feelings for you will often find ways to be near you as much as possible. It might be easy to dismiss this behavior as simple friendliness, but it's actually a significant indicator of her interest. Many men fail to recognize these subtle cues, mistaking them for mere politeness. However, when a woman likes you, she'll come up with countless reasons to spend time with you. Women can be quite discreet and clever in their approach, keeping their intentions hidden. That's why it's crucial to develop a keen, Stoic awareness to pick up on these less obvious signals. 3. She seeks private moments with you. When a woman has a special interest in a man, she often looks for opportunities to be alone with him. This is particularly true if her feelings are hidden. Even when you're in a group setting, she might find ways to single you out and spend time just with you, using any excuse to create moments of closeness. This behavior is a step beyond just wanting to be near you. It indicates a deeper affection. She might engage in activities that make you happy or choose to partner with you in games, using casual pretexts like, "Let's go buy something quickly." Such actions require your careful attention. As a discerning man, you need to recognize the emotions behind her actions and handle them with care to avoid hurting her feelings. 4. Her gaze. Stoic philosophy teaches us that the true essence of a person's spirit is reflected in their eyes, which are like windows to the soul. This is one of the most telling signs. When a woman is interested in you, it's often visible in the way she looks at you. Even if she doesn't verbally express her feelings, her eyes can reveal much. If you catch her frequently looking your way, unable to pull her gaze away, it's a strong indication that her feelings for you are genuine. 5. She seeks your approval. When a woman is interested in you, she'll often look for your validation in her thoughts or actions. This behavior is a clear marker of a thoughtful and insightful woman. Take note when she shares something personal or comments on current topics or gossip, keenly observing your reaction. This is a crucial way for her to connect with you, as she aims to understand your values and reactions deeply. Stoics believe that wise individuals seek understanding, not shallow judgments. Thus, she's trying to connect with your deeper self through these interactions. It's important to handle such moments with care to protect both her feelings and yours. 6. She remembers the details. When a woman is truly interested in you, she pays close attention to everything you say, even the small things that might seem insignificant. If she brings up details from conversations that happened weeks ago, maybe your favorite food, a movie you wanted to see, or a childhood story you shared, it's a clear indicator that she values and listens to what you share. This attention to detail shows she's not just passing time, but is genuinely interested in your life and experiences. 7. She includes you in her future plans. A woman who likes you will often talk about future events involving both of you. It might be as simple as inviting you to a future concert of a band both of you like, or discussing plans for a holiday months away. If she's weaving you into her future scenarios, it suggests that she sees a potential for a lasting connection with you. This forward-thinking inclusion is a big step, indicating her desire to keep you in her life. 8. She shares her passions and interests with you. When a woman is into you, she'll be eager to share the things she loves with you. This might involve inviting you to join her at a hobby class, a music gig of a band she adores, or even just watching her favorite TV show together. Her willingness to let you into this personal aspect of her life not only shows that she trusts you, but also that she wants to see if you share or appreciate her interests. It's a way to build deeper connections and find more common ground, which is crucial in developing a meaningful relationship. These signs, combined with the others, can provide a clearer picture of her feelings towards you, making it easier for you to understand where you stand in her heart. Many women harbor hidden affections and might feel deeply for you without it being obvious. Recognizing these signs ensures that no subtle hint goes unnoticed. This could lead to forming a meaningful bond if you reciprocate her feelings. Remember, every woman is unique and valuable, and some might hide their feelings due to fear of unreciprocated love. Embrace these experiences, as they are part of life's journey. If rejection happens, consider it a learning opportunity. I hope these insights help you understand if a woman might be interested in you. Pay attention to these signs going forward. Together, we can learn from each other and grow into men who appreciate and understand quality women. Check out our next videos and playlists. Let us know which topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching till the end. It shows your desire to improve. If you found the video helpful, please leave a comment. If you don't know what to write, just comment "love." It will let me know that you watched the whole video. Thank you for your time, and as always, until next time.